Hello, everyone. Today I'm not here to give you loud motivation or temporary excitement. I'm here to talk about something real. If your life feels stuck, if your mind feels tired again and again, if you keep making plans but nothing really changes, then the problem is not your dreams. The problem is your daily habits. Most people wait for a perfect moment to change their life, but life never changes in one big moment. It changes in the small things you repeat every single day. You don't need hundreds of habits. You only need a few powerful ones that slowly reshape the way you think, the way you feel, and the way you act. These habits may look simple at first, but practiced consistently, they rebuild your discipline, your confidence, and your energy from the inside out. The habits I am about to share are not magic tricks. They are simple actions that, when repeated daily, create a powerful transformation over time. Some of these habits may feel uncomfortable, some may feel too small to matter. But remember, small actions done every day are stronger than big actions done once in a while. If you truly want to become mentally stronger, more disciplined, and more focused, these habits are not optional. They are necessary. Start slowly, practice daily, and allow the process to change you step by step. Habit 1. Control instant pleasure. One of the biggest problems today is the addiction to instant pleasure. Endless scrolling, random entertainment, and quick dopamine activities slowly weaken your focus and motivation. When your brain becomes used to easy pleasure, difficult work starts feeling impossible. Begin by reducing unnecessary distractions. Limit the time you spend on useless content. Teach your brain to enjoy real achievements instead of instant rewards. When you control your impulses, your self-respect begins to grow. Habit 2. Step outside. Every day, many people spend most of their time inside rooms, staring at screens, slowly losing energy and confidence. Even a short daily walk outside can refresh your mind more than hours of sitting. Sunlight, fresh air, and simple movement send a powerful signal to your brain that life is active and moving. When you step outside, your thoughts become clearer and your mood naturally improves. Make it a rule to leave the house at least once every day, even if it's only for 10 minutes. Habit 3. Stop emotional eating. Food should give you strength, not become an escape from emotions. Many people eat not because they are hungry, but because they feel stressed, bored, or lonely. This creates guilt, low energy, and unhealthy routines. Before eating, ask yourself a simple question. Am I really hungry, or am I just feeling something uncomfortable? Learning this small awareness slowly gives you control over your choices and improves both physical and mental health. Habit 4. Move your body daily. Your body was designed to move, not to remain still all day. When you move your body, your mind also begins to move in a healthier direction. Exercise improves mood, reduces stress, and increases confidence. You don't need a complicated plan. A simple 15-minute walk, stretching, push-ups, or light jogging is enough to activate your energy. The goal is not perfection. The goal is daily movement. Habit 5. Reduce sugar and junk intake. Too much processed food and sugar slowly drains your energy without you realizing it. It gives a short burst of excitement but leaves you tired afterward. Start making small changes, drink more water, eat simple home food, and reduce packaged snacks. Over time, your energy becomes more stable, your focus improves, and your body feels lighter. Habit 6. Take cold or refreshing showers. Stepping into slightly uncomfortable situations daily trains your mind to become stronger. A cold or refreshing shower is not only about physical freshness, it teaches you to act even when you don't feel comfortable. This small daily challenge builds mental toughness and prepares you to face bigger challenges calmly. Habit 7. Train your brain daily. Just like your body needs exercise, your brain also needs training. Solve puzzles, practice simple calculations, read educational content, or learn a new skill. Even 15 minutes of daily mental training improves concentration and problem-solving ability. Over time, you will notice that you think more clearly and react less emotionally to problems. Habit 8. Read at least 10 pages. Reading daily slowly transforms your thinking. Books introduce ideas, lessons, and experiences that take years to learn in real life. Even reading 10 pages every day can completely change your mindset within months. Reading strengthens patience, deep thinking, and creativity, qualities that are becoming rare in the fast-scrolling world. Habit 9. Plan the next day before sleeping. Many people wake up confused because they never decided what they would do. Spend 5 minutes at night writing the most important tasks for the next day. This simple habit reduces stress and increases productivity because your mind already knows the direction to follow. Habit 10. Stay consistent, even when motivation is low. The final and most powerful habit is consistency. Motivation will come and go, but discipline is built when you continue even on days you don't feel like it. Small daily actions may not look impressive, but over months they create massive change. Consistency turns ordinary efforts into extraordinary results. Remember, your future is not created by what you do once. It is created by what you repeat daily. Start with 1 or 2 habits, practice them patiently, and slowly add more. Over time, you will notice something powerful. Your energy will rise, your confidence will grow, and the life that once felt stuck will begin moving forward again, step by step. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and start building your new life today.